So Jamaican mothers have a unique character, and the things they say to their children top the list, especially my mother. So we have two daddies who will try and figure out what they mean for a chance to win a prize courtesy of the giftery for their mother of choice.
Yes.
So let's welcome businessman Marlon Fletcher and auditor Winston McFarlane. Gentlemen, good morning.
Oh, there's a businessman, Marlon Fletcher.
Cutter.
Cutter. Everybody know Cutter's cutter.
The motorcycle side, eh?
We will give them a clue, and they will have to say what Jamaican mother would say.
You understand?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll tell you the clue, and it's like it's a Jamaican saying that is the answer to the clue.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So the clue is, how does one walk on one's ears? Ask your mother the next time you speak.
Sit down for your ears.
Almost. Almost.
Stick broken in your ears.
Hey, you got it. Or you walk for them. There you go. That was one. So, Cutter is up one. Dum, dum, dum.
Next clue, you dare not have opinions. That's your mother's job.
Lock your mouth.
Anybody else anything? Anybody else any question?
Not
No.
quite.
Lock your mouth.
No.
Come out a big people argument.
No. Your mother tell you enough things, though, Cutter.
Shut your mouth.
All right, we're going to forgive you this one. Are you
are
the
the
mother? All right, this
is
one
my
I get
favorite.
this all
This is my
the time.
favorite.
This one. Mothers love to ask you this question before they administer a good whipping.
Go for the belt.
No, save that one there. But it's a question. They
When
ask
they
you
give you
this
a good-
question when they're about to give you a good whipping. Me get
No,
that one,
man.
yeah.
No man, when them a give the whipping,
Watch me.
Why you cry for? Why you ball for?
Me give you nothing for bad for. All right, so we're going 1-1 now, right? Okay.
All right. This is the exact point where you knew it was time to run.
Watch me. Yo.
Almost. Come again.
Go for the belt.
If look at them two, them get pan a regular. So
Where you come from? Where you come from?
No, sir.
So again, that's
The exact point when you know when to
where you
run.
know, so you have to run. Your mother says this, so
And
you
you
know you have to
run.
run.
Come
Yeah,
here.
run.
Yeah, you got it. All right, next one. It sounds unthreatening, but you better make yourself scarce. Somebody said it earlier. It sounds unthreatening, but you better make yourself scarce when she says this.
Go for the belt.
No. What do you want? Just go for the bell. Ready?
Where you come from?
No.
Who tell you to leave the yard?
No. Cutter, you get enough business.
Yes, man.
Give up. Watch me and you. All right.
All right. You knew better than to answer this question if your mother ever asked.
Yeah, don't answer it. If
Don't
you
answer this question.
you're gonna
Where you
get more
come
behind.
from?
You think you're big, man?
What?
You think you're big?
Almost.
Me your size?
Pick me on your size.
Okay. Next clue. I hope them keeping score now because we're not keeping score. Oh, you are. Okay, good. All right. But you just asked me a question. Actually, you know what? Never mind. That is your response when your mother says this to you. But you just asked me a question. You know what? Never mind. What does your mother say?
Me did I say anything?
Almost.
Close?
Time ago.
Who did I ask you now?
Almost. But we're not getting none on the turn. Don't back
Don't
answer
answer
me.
me.
And the answer to this one is somebody's favorite. And they've been saying this all morning.
This is not a minor errand.
And we
we
hope
hope
you
you
never
never
found
found
it when them tell your face.
Go for the belt.
All right. So, there you go. That's the end. We have to get Cutter 3 and
Winston too.
Asa?
Yeah.
That's all?
Well, we're waiting on the phone. Oh, here we go. And if we see this in any other houses, we know so they
Go
never
for the
give it
belt.
to your
Win.
mother.
All right,
Right.
so first place.
And of course, the gifts are provided by the Giftery JA. And of course, you can WhatsApp them on 376-8584. All that information is up on screen. The Giftery JA. That's it for this morning's Weekend Smile, guys. And Cutter, stop eating grape. It's not for you. Jeez.
You know, yeah, we're reading this and I remember clearly my mother used to take off my own belt and beat me. She said, come here,
Serious?
come here. Take off the belt.
My mother sent me for a belt one time.
My
I'm going
belt
to
you
go
also
for one
put up
crochet
on the
soft
wall.
belt, right? I say, and it was beat me ever get because she go for the proper belt after that. Big up the DJ this morning over there, keeping it down on the ones and twos. All right. That's it, guys, for this morning's Weekend Smile. And a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers next week, Sunday. From me and Exos. We'll see ya. Don't eat the grapes. You see me see the piece where you're popping.